if you're experiencing issues with syncing your Minecraft account, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and configure your account effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is essential for syncing your Minecraft account. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if needed. Step 2. Update Minecraft. Make sure you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Open the game launcher and check for any available updates. Download and install any updates to ensure compatibility with account syncing. Step 3. Log out and log back in. Sometimes, simply logging out of your account can resolve syncing issues. Go to the game settings, log out of your Minecraft account, and then log back in. This can refresh your connection to the server. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If the problem persists, try clearing the cache and data for the Minecraft app. On most devices, you can do this through the settings menu. This action can help eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing the sync issue. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the previous steps work, reach out to Minecraft support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, including any error messages you may have encountered. They can offer more specific guidance to resolve your account sync issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your Minecraft account sync issue. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the support team. Happy gaming!